Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to attach a weapon to a character and animate it using the built-in animation editor in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, insert a dummy rig into your workspace. You can use either an R6 or an R15 rig. Both work perfectly for this method. To make the character easier to recognize while animating, I'll quickly change its body colors. Next, we need a weapon. Open the Toolbox, search for Spear, and insert the first result. You can use any weapon you like. The process is exactly the same. Drag the Spear mesh part inside the dummy rig. Now select the Spear, click the plus button, and add an attachment. Rename it to Spear Attachment. Next, add an animation constraint to the Spear. For attachment 0, select the character's right arm, right grip attachment. For attachment 1, select the Spear attachment we just created. The weapon is now attached to the character. Click Clip Editor to open the animation editor. Create or open your animation. Select the character's right arm and rotate it. As you move the arm, you can see the spear automatically follows because of the animation constraint. You can also select the spear itself to create additional animation. In my example, I'll rotate the spear slightly while the character raises the arm. Near the end of the animation, I'll rotate the spear forward to make it look like the character is preparing to throw or attack. And that's it. Now you know how to attach a weapon to a character and animate both the arm and the weapon using Roblox Studio's animation editor. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials.